Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, now once it's opened, go ahead and go to the URL box. Now type down get.adobe.com, alright, /reader. Like so. Again, get.adobe.com/reader. Once done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and scroll down, untick this bloatware, and click on download Acrobat Reader. Alright, wait for a pop-up. There you go. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Save. Wait for the process to finish, and once done, as you can see here on our browser, we have the installer. You might be able to see it right here at the top right or at the bottom left. Okay, if not, you can just go ahead over to your desktop and find the installer. Once done, just double click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, here you have the installer. Just wait for it while it downloads the necessary files. All right, as you can see here, it's done. Just basically click on finish. There you go, and it will ask you to select the default app for your PDF files. Okay, just basically select Adobe Acrobat and just click on set default, and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.